This guide will provide a detailed guide on how to delete downloads on iPhone or iPad, helping you easily free up space. 1. Delete downloaded files in the Files app. Step 1. Open the Files app and tap Browse in the bottom menu. Next, choose either on My iPhone or iCloud Drive, depending on where your downloaded files are saved. Step 2. Tap the Downloads folder or navigate to the folder specific to certain apps to view their downloaded content. Step 3. Press and hold the file or folder you want to delete, then tap Delete in the context menu that appears. 2. Delete downloads on iPhone Safari. Step 1. Open the Files app and tap Browse at the bottom. Then select On My iPhone. Step 2. Tap Downloads. Step 3. Press and hold the file or folder you wish to delete, then choose Delete from the context menu. 3. Delete downloaded media from the Photos app. Step 1. Open the Photos app, go to the Albums tab, and select Recents. Step 2. To delete one or more photos, do the following. To delete a single photo, long press it and tap Delete. To delete multiple photos, tap Select at the top, choose the photos, then tap the Delete icon at the bottom. Step 3. Whether you're deleting one photo or several, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete Photo or Delete X Photos to confirm. Step 4. To permanently delete photos, go to Albums Recently Deleted, and then Delete again. 4. Remove downloads in the Messages app. When you receive items like pictures, files, or documents via text message, you can delete them directly from the Messages app. Step 1. Open the Messages app and select the conversation containing the download you want to delete. Step 2. Tap the name or group at the top to open the information screen. Step 3. Scroll down to see shared items, categorized by collaboration, photos, links, documents, and more, depending on what you've received. Step 4. To delete one item, long press it and select Delete. To delete multiple items, tap See All in the category, then tap Select in the top right. Mark the items you want to delete and tap Delete in the bottom right. Step 5. Whether you're deleting one item or several, you'll be asked to confirm. Tap Delete Attachment or Delete X Attachments in the pop-up at the bottom to confirm. 5. Erase downloads in the Music app. Offline music downloaded to the Music app can take up a significant amount of storage space. If no longer needed, deleting it promptly can free up a large amount of space. Step 1. Open the Music app, go to the Library tab, and select Downloaded. Step 2. Choose a category, such as Songs. Step 3. Click the 3 dots next to the song you want to delete, then tap Remove from Library. 6. Clear downloaded data from apps. In addition to system apps, many third-party apps also generate downloaded content and cache data. Regularly clearing these can significantly free up storage space and improve device performance. Step 1. Open Settings General iPhone Storage. Step 2. Find the apps that take up a large amount of space, then tap to view details. Step 3. You'll see the options, Offload App or Delete App. The Offload App option removes the app but keeps its data on your iPhone, which isn't what we want for this task. So, tap Delete App and confirm the action.